Hello everyone, I am Scott Aubrey. I'm the owner of Aubrey Law. We do estate planning, we do it very well, and I'm very happy to be here with you today. And today I'm going to talk about how many people you need to name as backups in your estate plan. But before I get started, if you have any questions about what I talk about today, or any questions about estate planning in general, you can go to estateplanmeeting.com and schedule a time to talk with me for free, either in person or on the phone. Again, that's estateplanmeeting.com. Go to that website. You'll see my schedule. Pick a time that works best for you. And on that time, I'll be more than happy to answer any questions you have regarding estate planning, all for free. So today's topic is how many people do I need to name as backups in my estate plan? And this is a question I get often from clients as we're creating the estate plan. Part of the process is choosing what people are going to serve in certain roles within your estate plan. If you're married, your spouse most often will be the initial person to serve in those fiduciary roles in your estate plan. But then after that, you'll need to name additional people. So the answer to that question is I try to use like the rule of three. So what that means is that for each of your estate planning documents, you want to name an initial person to serve in that fiduciary role and then name at least two backups. However, if you have a number of people in your life that you trust and that you want to be that were able to fulfill those roles within your estate plan, then you can name more people. But I really think you need to make sure that you have at least three people, because if you do not, then what will happen is that the court will get involved in choosing the person who will serve that role if no one is available to serve it for you in your estate plan. And what happens is that they may not choose the person that you would want. They may choose a corporate fiduciary to serve that purpose, and in that situation, they'll be charged. You'll have to pay for them to serve in that role, and that person knows nothing about you. They know nothing about your wishes, your desires, what would you want to happen. So it's best to name as many people as you can to prevent that from happening. So basically, in your estate plan, you would have your will, and in your will you need to name a personal representative, and that person is responsible for settling your estate after you die. If you have minor children in your will, you'll name a guardian. And this is, I think, is super important to have as many backups as you possibly can, because you always want to be making the one decision to see who cares for your minor children if you're unable to do so. Also, too, with your healthcare agent, healthcare proxy, you want to name your initial agent. Like I said, if you're married, most often that person would be your spouse, and then you want to name additional backups. Same thing with your durable power of attorney. So all these documents, you want to make sure that you have name an initial person and at least a couple of backups. And what this will prevent is from the court getting involved in choosing who will serve in these roles for you. So you don't get to decide. So that's all I have for you today. If you have any questions about what I talked about today, you can go to estateplanmeeting.com and schedule a time to talk with me for free, either in person or on the phone. Again, estateplanmeeting.com. You're able to choose whatever time works best for you. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to hear more from me in the future about estate planning, you can subscribe to my channel, and I try to update this at least on a daily basis. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section. If there's a certain topic that you would like me to discuss, please leave it in there, and I'll be more than happy to shoot a video on that. Also, if you know someone that could benefit from seeing my video, please share this with them. Again, I am Scott Aubrey. I'm the owner of Aubrey Law, and I will talk to you soon.